Online students, yes, Bache, we are going to start with the map work. Get ready, your map should be with you. Even you people can side by side do practice, can ask, up to you. So today we are going to start with the revision of map. And don't forget, tomorrow is your test. That is, yes, revision test, that is of whole maps. Yeah, history and civics, I have no idea, but yes, geography definitely. So let's proceed. You just have to tell me what I'm making, right? Don't play with your pen, please. Online, be attentive. What's the name of this?
Equator.
Okay, this is equator. What is the latitudinal location of India? Offline. What is the latitudinal location of India? Offline. Online.
Ma'am, it is 2 degree 4 minutes east.
Who's giving this answer? Huh? Wrong answer, bache.
I'm 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 90.
Latitudinal.
Ma'am, 8 degree 4 minutes north, 237 degree 6 minutes east.
That's correct. 37 degrees 6 minutes. 37
North.
degrees. Yes, north. This is the latitudinal location of India. 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degrees 6 minute north. India lies in between these two latitudinal lines. What it is? This is longitudinal division of India and its degrees. Any one of you?
68 degree 7 minutes east and 96 degree 25 minutes east.
90?
Ma'am, 97 degree.
97 degree 25 minutes east.
That's correct. 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So question can be asked, what is our latitudinal, longitudinal extension of India? Or it can be asked in the map form, otherwise written also it can be asked. You should know the answer. Got it? Which important line of latitude passes through center of India? That is Tropic of
Cancer.
Cancer. Degree is?
Cancer.
Degree is 23
23
and
and
half
a half degree.
North. 23 and half degree north. Okay. Which important line of longitude passes through India? Important line of longitude. IST, correct. That is important from Indian point of view because we have selected this line as IST, Indian Standard Time, 82 degree 30 minute east. This line passes through which state prominently? UP. And
Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh.
State I'm asking. That is UP. Mirzapur in UP. Okay, next. Going to give you one sum on the basis of this. Online as well as offline. You're supposed to do it right now. Online and offline, get ready. If on 60 degree east, time is 9 a.m. What would be the time on? What would be the time on 180 degree east? If on 60 degree east timing is 9 a.m., what would be the time on 180 degree east? You just have 2 to 3 minutes. Quiet, please. Solve it properly. Done? Done, bache? Online, one of you have done. Okay. Who else? Madhav, done? Okay. 2 students have done offline. All of you kindly try to solve the sum. Answer is 11 here. Mhm. 5. Okay. Okay, let everyone solve it. Yes, online. Come on, online. Yes, Prabhu.
Ma'am, 5 p.m.
5 p.m. Okay. I can't say right or wrong. Let it can be wrong also, it can be right also. Madhav, what's your
Excuse me,
answer?
ma'am.
5 p.m. is from Madhav. Yes, speak up. Arshin.
Ma'am, I am getting the answer 4:30 p.m.
4:30 p.m. Okay. Rest of you, come on. If on 60 degree east timing is 9 a.m., what would be the timing on 180 degree east? Those who have done, please wrote down one more question. Then we'll discuss first one. If on 78 degree, if on 78 degree timing is 78 degree east, timing is 9 a.m. What would be the standard time on 90 degree east? What would be the standard time on 90 degree east? Keeping India in mind. Keeping India in mind. Okay, let's talk about the first question now. If on 60 degrees timing is 9 a.m., what would be the timing on 180 degrees? 2 students have given the answer, that is 5. One said 4:30 and rest of you, there is no answer. 10, okay? Okay, 60 degree east, timing is 9 a.m. 180 degree east, timing is kitna? 60 to 180. How many degrees? Hanji? 60, simple. Our difference is according to 15 degree. 15 degrees equal to 1 hour. Am I right? Am I right? Prabgun, am I right? Prabgun,
Ma'am, could you please repeat?
I'm asking, is it correct whatever I have written? 15 degrees equal to 1 hour.
Yes, ma'am.
Then elaborate the answer now. You have given the answer 5. Ashin, you also get ready.
Ma'am, as we move 15 degrees towards the east side, we will add 1 hour. And if we move towards west, we will subtract 1 hour.
Hmm.
So, ma'am, here till 180 degree east, we come to the conclusion that it is 5 p.m.
How? Explain. Prove it.
Ma'am, from there are
16 degrees to 180 degrees. How many difference of degrees are there? If we are taking the gap of 15 degrees.
Ma'am, 8.
8 degrees, I mean, 8 zones differences are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, from 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, and 180.
Okay, very right. And how many hours then? How many hours?
Ma'am, 8 hours.
8 hours. 9. If we plus 8 hours in 9 a.m., what would be the timing? What would be the timing?
5 p.m.
Huh? 3 p.m.? 4 p.m.? 5.
Ma'am, 5 p.m.
5 p.m. So got the point how she has solved it, although we have done it number of times. And how come your answer is 10? Why? 60 to 180 degrees. We have to find out how many degrees are there. 60 to, yes, why not? So 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. 15 multiplied by 4 minutes means 60 minutes. Means 1 hour. So 60 degree is, if timing is 9 a.m. तो automatically 180 कितनी degree का difference आ गया उसमें? That is near about 8 hours. So 8 hours automatically we will do plus. We'll add. Minus नहीं करेंगे. Minus कब होता? अगर 60 degree east and 180 degree west. फिर back जा रहे थे हम लोग. Got it? Now come to the next question. हाँ जी? Timing 9 plus 8 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next question you have done. You have written. If on 78 degree timing is whatever 9, what would be the timing on 90 standard time on 97 degree something? 90 degree something. Keeping India in mind. Offline. Online. Yes.
Ma'am, the same time.
9 a.m. Yes, you are also saying the 9 a.m. Now my question is why same time?
Ma'am, because of Indian Standard Time.
Yes, because in the question it is mentioned there. I've spoken this point that is keeping India in mind and that is standard time. So be very careful. Got it? Be very careful. If standard time is written according to India, so automatically everywhere in India timing would be same. If right now in Punjab 9 a.m., so automatically here in West Bengal timing is 9 a.m. Here in Kerala timing is 9 a.m. In J&K timing is 9 a.m. Maharashtra times, everywhere timing is 9 a.m. because which what we follow? We follow this. What it is? 82 degree 30 minute is IST. It means this is the whatever timing is on 82 degree 30 minute east. That would be followed everywhere. But here my question is, say right now on 82 degree 30 minute east, timing is say again 9 a.m. for example. Do you think in reality, actual, everywhere timing is 9 a.m.? Answer is no. So then,
No.
then what is the name of this time which is found on a particular line of longitude? What is the time on a, what is the name of the time which we call on a particular line of longitude, a specific line of longitude? We have two type of time. We have two type of time. One is standard, all of you know about it. Like this shows standard time. What is a second type of time which we don't follow?
Local time.
Local time.
Local time, perfect. We don't follow local time. Now let's understand the meaning of local time. Local time is a time on a particular line of longitude. It varies. For example, here, It's 9. So this is one longitudinal line. 9. Coming to next longitudinal line. 9, 4. 9 बज के 4 मिनट. Coming to next longitudinal line. 9 बज के 8 मिनट. Is this point clear? So here if I'm saying 9 बज के 8 मिनट, coming back 9 बज के 4 मिनट, coming back 9 बज के 9 बजे. Got it? So that is a local time. And we don't follow local time. Question can be asked. Difference between local time and standard time here. Why don't we follow local time here? Why in India we have one long, okay, there's one question. Why in India we have one longitudinal, one standard time? Why not number of? Huh? To prevent the confusion. But here my question is, why we have just one longitudinal line? Indian standard time is one, zone is one, time zone is one. There are countries like Russia, like Canada, where there are number of
area is small.
because of
Ma'am, area is small.
area is small. What kind of area? Which dimensions we count when we talk about longitudinal time? Now, which my question is, she said area is small. Do you think this country is so small? No, answer is not like this. This is not a right answer. But yes, if answer is like this, width of the country is not so much. Countries like Canada, America, countries like Russia, the width is like this. The width is much. This is width. Whenever we talk about time, we always talk about width. चौड़ाई की बात करते हैं. And in India, width is not so much. How much? How many difference of degrees are there? 30 degrees. 30 degrees means 15 plus 50 means how many hours? 1 hour, 1 hour. 2 hour difference is there only. So 2 hour difference can be easily like, अभी कहें कि 9 बजे है. So definitely here it is not 9 o'clock. Here it is more than that. So right now timing is 9:15. तो यहाँ पे 9:15 time is here. Actually यहाँ पे time कितना है? हाँ जी, 2 hour difference है. ये center लिया उन्होंने. What is the time here? Approximately 10:15. What is the time actually here? Less. So we have taken the central time. समझ में आया point? यहाँ पे 10:15 है, यहाँ पे 9:15 है, यहाँ पे 8:15 है. Actual में. But we have taken this time. So we don't feel like this is very early, it's very late. Because difference is not so much. This width is not so much. But if you are talking about the countries like Canada, like Russia, ये जो country जिनकी width बहुत ज़्यादा है, here we have number of time zone. तो कई बार ऐसे होता है कि here it is night, say night of 23rd of March, and here it is day of 22nd of March. So we can't follow the same time everywhere. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि 12 बजे 1 बजे वहां पे दिन चढ़ा वहां पे रात है. Got it? All of you clear? Online clear? Online clear? Any doubt? So such type of question definitely can be asked. How to find out the time? What is local time? What is standard time? Why don't we follow local time? Why in India we have one standard time? Got it? Okay. Next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please once again repeat that question?
Which question, bachche?
Ma'am, 60 degree and east.
If on 60 degree east timing is 9 a.m., what would be the timing on 180 degree east?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that concept is not clear to me.
Why? Bhumika, I guess we have done number of times. Okay, no problem. Who would like to explain this question to us, Bhumika? Online.
Ma'am, could you please repeat the question?
She is not clear with the doubt. Bhumika is not clear with some doubt she is having. I'm just starting with the point. Prabgun, you are supposed to carry on with the answer. Got it? Prabgun, clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Bhumika point is, whole of the earth, we know the shape. 360 degrees, we say. 180 degree east, 180 degree west. 360 are the total longitudinal line, right? 180 degree east and 180 degree west. Second point, 180 degree east and west, these are not two lines, these are one line. Either it's 180 degree east or 180 degree west, these are not two lines, this just one single line is here. Got it? Next point, Bhumika, for you. 1 degree, if we cross from this place to this place, Means if we are moving from 0 to 1 degree, there would be difference of 4 minutes. If on 0 degree timing is 4:08, on 1 degree timing would be 4:12. Got the point? If you are moving towards east, timing would be added. If you are moving towards west, it would be deleted. 4:08 या 4:04. Moving towards east or west, 4 minutes minus would be there. So 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. And it's not at all possible for us to draw all 360 degrees. So what? Standard units we have taken the standard division. That is of 15 degrees. हम एक degree को, we can't draw it. So that's why what we have done. International it is accepted. 15 degree gap generally we take. 0 to 15, then 30, then 45, then 65, then 70 like this. Got it? Either in the east or in the west. So 0 to 15. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15 degrees is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means what? 1 hour. Got it? So if on 60 degree east, timing is 9. What would be the timing on 180 degree east? तो हमने क्या देखना है 60 से लेके 180 डिग्री कितना 15 का गैप आ रहा है जितना गैप है वो 8 आवर्स वो आवर्स बन जाएंगे सो गैप इज ऑफ 8 यूनिट्स 8 zones. So that is of 8. Bhumika clear?
Yes,
Prabhun?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So next is where is Gulf of Mannar state I'm asking? Huh? Gulf of Mannar online.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes. Where is Run of Kutch?
Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Yes, yesterday. Yes. Where is Chilika Lake?
Odisha.
Perfect. Which is the largest saloon water lake of India?
Chilika Lake.
Chilika Lake. Largest saltwater lake of India is Chilika Lake and it is in Odisha. Yesterday we discussed it. Now look here. Though we have done, but again, which is the highest mountain peak of India?
Godwin
K2.
Austen.
Yes? K2.
K2.
8. That's correct. It's here. Yes. Which is the easternmost peak of India? That's correct.
Namcha Parva.
Namcha Barwa.
That's correct. It's here. Which is the highest mountain peak of India? Okay, sorry,
K2.
highest mountain peak of the world.
Mount
Everest.
Everest.
Name of the country is?
Nepal.
Okay.
Nepal.
Okay. Which prominent mountain peak is situated in Sikkim?
Kanchenjunga.
Prominent mountain peak is situated in Sikkim. That is Kanchenjunga. And this is Sikkim. Here we have Kanchenjunga. Okay. Where name the hills where Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats almost meet with each other.
Nilgiri Hills.
Perfect. That is Nilgiri Hills. Can you let me know the this importance of Nilgiri Hills? Any one of you? Nilgiri Hills are actually the hills which are situated where 3 states meet. The borders of 3 states, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil. And it is famous for spices. Garam masale. Nilgiri Hills are famous for spices. Nilgiri Hills are also famous for coffee. Below Nilgiri Hills, name the hills which are situated below Nilgiri Hills.
Anaimudi.
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 Okay. Which is the highest mountain peak of Western Ghats? Girls. Highest mountain peak of Western Ghats.
Mahanadi.
Hanji?
Doda Beta.
That's correct. Highest mountain peak of Eastern Ghats.
Mahendragiri.
Mahendragiri.
Eastern Ghats. Mahendragiri, correct. Which river flows through 2 prominent ranges?
Ganga.
Narmada.
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 Narmada. And which 2 prominent ranges we have?
Vindhya and Satpura.
That's correct. Vindhya range and Satpura range. In between this, we have river Narmada. From which place river Narmada rise starts origin? Oh my God. How can a river start from sea? Rivers always fall in sea. Which is the which name the river which flow through south of Satpura?
Tapi River.
Tapi River. That's correct. Name the southernmost river of India.
Kaveri.
Kaveri River. Only one girl is giving me answer, I guess, Prabhgun, if I'm not wrong. Rest of you, wake up. Okay. Name the rivers which make the world's largest growing delta.
Ganga and Brahmaputra.
Ganga and Brahmaputra.
Brahmaputra. Which river I'm making it right now? Look at the river. Name the river.
Ganga.
Ganga.
Ganga,
Ganga,
This is,
Brahmaputra,
and this is,
Yamuna,
Sundarban Delta.
that's correct.
Sundarban Delta.
Sundarban Delta. Sundarban Delta is also famous for Sundari tree
Royal Bengal
and
tiger.
Sundri teas. Royal Bengal tiger.
Royal Bengal tiger. Plus this delta is having very fertile soil. Okay. Name this river.
Yamuna.
Yamuna,
Yamuna is the
Tributary of
prominent tributary of river Ganga. Name two small streams which collectively make river Ganga. When they meet with each other,
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Alkananda and Bhagirathi, these two rivers meet with each other, and then what is formed? Ganga river is formed. Okay. Where is river Damodar? Where is river Damodar?
West Bengal.
Hanji?
West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay. It's approximately here. Bihar, West Bengal. Okay. Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Godavari. Another name of river Ganga, Godavari, is Dakshin Ganga. Okay. Which mountain, due to which physical feature, Rajasthan is a desertic area?
Aravali range.
Range.
Aravali Hill,
Aravali Range.
Very good. Okay. Which hills are responsible for giving world's heaviest rainfall in India?
Garo Khasi Jaintia.
These are different ranges. These are not same hills. Any one out of these three. Khasi. Garo Khasi Jayanti. These are three different hills, bache. Prabgun, Khushi, Arshin, they are not same. They are different. In the same way, Garo Khasi Jayanti are different hills. Got it? Okay. Next. Name the area which receive heavy rainfall, not heaviest, heavy rainfall in India. Area. Seven Sisters. These are Seven Sisters and this side.
Western part of Western Ghat.
Western Ghats. What is Konkan? What is
Mumbai
Konkan?
to
The
Mumbai
area
to Goa.
from Gujarat to Goa.
Gujarat till Goa. Okay. Coastal area. The coastal area from Gujarat till Goa is known as Konkan. Okay. What is Malabar coast?
Trivandrum to Tamil Nadu area.
Yes.
Kerala.
Kerala. Yes.
Kerala.
And name the coast which is in Tamil.
Coromandel coast.
Coromandel.
That's correct. Confuse nahi hona hai. This is Coromandel coast. This is Malabar coast. In between Konkan and Malabar coast. Which coast is there?
Kannad coast.
Kannad coast.
Kannad.
That's right. Kannad. K-A-N-N-A-D. It's in Karnataka. Kannad coast. Okay. Central Highlands are made up of which two prominent features?
Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Malwa and Chota Nagpur Plateau.
That's correct. Malwa Plateau and... Okay, good. Deccan Trap is famous for
Minerals.
minerals. That's correct.
Black soil.
Minerals. Next. Name the area where we have cactus thorns. Desert area.
Desert area.
That's correct. Thar desert. Here we have thorn, cactus, as shrubs and all that, long roots. Name the area where amount of rainfall is less than 50 centimeter.
Rajasthan.
The interior part of India and
That's
Rajasthan.
right. This area and some parts of central India. That's correct. Name the area where we have precipitation in the form of snowfall. Northern part
Then-
of India.
Northern part of India.
North. This area. What type of vegetation is there?
Coniferous vegetation.
Is it so?
Coniferous forest.
Is it so?
Not exactly, because there is mountainous vegetation and difference in belts are there. So that's why the vegetation
For
differs.
mountainous area, we don't have only coniferous forest, but we have mountainous vegetation, and mountainous vegetation varies according to height. According to height, temperature varies. According to height, precipitation varies. That's why mountainous in the mountainous area, we don't have only coniferous. Undoubtedly, coniferous is here, but we say mountainous vegetation which vary according to height and temperature, precipitation. Altitude की वजह से temperature भी change है, down है, and precipitation is from rainfall to snowfall. Okay. Name any two types of two trees under coniferous forests. No.
Pine and silver fir.
Anji?
Silver fir.
Silver fir.
Pine and silver fir.
Okay,
Alpine.
pine and silver fir. Okay, mahogany, ebony, rosewood. This was in your test also, if I'm not wrong. Tropical
Tropical evergreen.
Tropical evergreen.
That's right, tropical evergreen forest. Write down or name two divisions of tropical deciduous forests.
Wet deciduous and dry
Moist
deciduous.
and-
That's
moist and
correct.
dry.
Wet deciduous and dry deciduous forests. In which out of these two, wet deciduous and dry deciduous, in which type of forest amount of rainfall would be more? Wet deciduous forest.
Wet deciduous.
Wet deciduous forest. Okay. I'm going to take certain names. You have to tell me this vegetation belongs to which vegetation. Oh, this is Deodar, Sal. Deodar, Sal,
Repeat.
Teak.
Deciduous.
Deciduous.
Deciduous. What kind of deciduous? We have two divisions. Wet deciduous.
Wet.
Wet deciduous. Deodar, teak, sal. And dry deciduous, we have kikkar, neem, babool. Right? Whatever trees you see around you, people in your locality, in your environment, they all fall under dry deciduous. Will be clear? Okay. Next we have, name the area which receives the first showers of monsoon.
Kerala.
So that's